In this video, I'm going to show you how to install BBIS Power Tools. I've downloaded the installation package to my desktop. It's just a zip file. I'll extract it. Inside the zip file, you'll see a folder structure that mirrors that of your BBCRM server. I have a BBFFX folder, and inside that I have vroot, bin, and browser, bin custom. You have a couple of DLLs in here. This structure should be familiar to anyone who has done BBCRM deployments before. I'm just going to take this BBFFX folder and copy it to my BBCRM installation folder, which is on this machine at C, Program Files, Blackbog. I'll paste it there. It'll ask me for permission and I'll give it. There. Now the files are deployed. Next, I'll go into BBCRM. Once I'm there, I'll go to Administration, Application, Catalog Browser. Inside the catalog browser, I'll filter for a type of package and an author of Stein software. I'll click Apply and see the BBIS Power Tools package. I'll load it. Next, I'm going to click Refresh Shell Navigation. That's because there are a couple of new tasks contained inside this package. Then I'm going to register the product. I'll do that by going to Administration, SSC License Keys, and then I'll paste the product key into that window. It recognizes this as a valid key. I'll click Save. Now I can go over to the Web Functional area and I'll see BBIS Power Tools, and under that is BBIS User Management and Diagnostics. The solution is now ready to use and has been installed. Thank you.